Hi everyone and welcome to our The Language Guru channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common phrases in Spanish, ¿Cómo estuvo tu día? Which means, how was your day? In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about how to use this phrase, including different ways to ask and respond, as well as some cultural tips and context. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to improve your Spanish skills, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Section 1. The basics of, how was your day? In Spanish, the first thing to know is the phrase itself, ¿Cómo estuvo tu día? This is a formal way of asking someone about their day and is often used in business or professional settings. If you're talking to a close friend or family member, you can use a more informal version, such as ¿Cómo te fue hoy? Or simply ¿Qué tal el día? These are both equivalent to asking, how was your day? In English. Section 2. How to respond to, how was your day? In Spanish, when someone asks you about your day, there are several ways to respond in Spanish. One of the most common is to simply say, estuvo bien, which means, it was good. If you had a great day, you can use the phrase, estuvo genial, which means, it was great. If your day wasn't so good, you can say, estuvo regular, which means, it was okay. And if your day was really bad, you can say, estuvo mal, which means, it was bad. Section 3. Adding more detail to your response. If you want to add more detail to your response, there are several phrases you can use. For example, you can say, estuvo un poco agotador, which means, it was a bit tiring. Or you can say, estuvo muy interesante, which means, it was very interesting. Adding these details will help you have a more interesting conversation and show your interlocutor that you're engaged and interested in what they're saying. Section 4. Cultural tips and context. It's important to remember that in Spanish-speaking countries, asking about someone's day is a common and important social interaction. Whether you're at work, at a social gathering, or just running into a friend on the street, asking about someone's day is a way to show that you care about them and are interested in their life. So, make sure to use this phrase regularly and always be ready with a response. And that's it for today's lesson on, how was your day? In Spanish. We hope this video was helpful and informative, and that you now feel confident.